Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to merge abstract 3D shapes with your typography. It's gonna be a really cool one, so let's jump right into it. Let's start off by making a big rectangle to fill our entire artboard and filling it with black. Command 2 to lock it in place. Now, we're going to draw our path. So you can use whichever tool you prefer. I'm going to use the pen tool. And I'm going to make an M, letter M. I'll go here, here, and then straight down. Let's change the color to white so we can all see it. Right. It's a little wonky now, but we're gonna center it. That's looking better. All right. Now with your brush tool, we're gonna draw a weird shape. You can draw whatever weird shape you like. Doesn't have to be this. We're gonna lighten up the stroke weight. And we're gonna make another copy of this. So hold down the Alt or Option key, click and drag to make another copy. And we're gonna blend these two together. So we're gonna click on the blend tool. We're gonna click on the first shape and then click on the second shape. It'll create your blend. Now double click for the blend options to pop up. We're gonna go with specified steps and we're gonna add a bunch of those. Let's add about 100 for now. We can always go back and change it later. Anyways, we have this cool looking shape now looking like a tube tunnel or whatever. You're gonna select your path and your blended stuff and you're gonna go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. And what is this gonna do? It's gonna basically take this shape and place it along your path. So look at how cool this is. Now we obviously need to add more steps because this path is way longer. So we're gonna double click again and let's try out how 300 is. Yes, this is looking way better. Now to bring it a step even further, we are going to click over the width tool, select your warp tool, and we're gonna make this into a weird shape by just warping it around. It'll take a while to load every time you do some change. But at the end, you get a really weird and cool looking effect. Like, come on, look at how cool this is. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.